Hello and welcome to Cinekari Movie Reviews. I'm your host Shikha and today's film is Bang Bang. Official remake of Night and Day, Bang Bang is directed by Siddharth Anand. It stars Katrina Kaif and Hrithik Roshan in the lead. Apart from that, we get to see Danny Dengzumpa, Javed Jaffrey and Jimmy Shergill in a cameo. Is Bang Bang worth the hype it created? Let's find out.
Hrithik Roshan plays Rajveer, a charming yet mysterious man who lives on an edge and messes with the baddies all over. Not for his own fun, but to safeguard a Kohinoor. On his watch, he meets Harleen Sahni, played by Katrina Kaif, an innocent bank receptionist who is charmed by his good looks and his exquisite style of dealing with the hazardous situations. The more she meets him, the more she gets into the entire chaos and trouble which Rajveer takes along with him. However, she is unaware about the causes of such mayhem. Is Rajveer trustworthy or is he just using Harleen for his own purpose? Watch out to find it amidst massive car chases, open shootouts and other breathtaking stunts.
First, I'd like to mention that this film did not even look like a Bollywood one. Shot on extremely exotic locations, the film was extremely stylish. Coming to Hrithik Roshan, he's a package in himself. Be it action, be it acting or be it dance, he scored 10 on 10 in all the three. When you watch his moves in the title track Bang Bang and Tu Meri, you're sure to fall in love with him all over again. I used the word amazing so many times, but what to do? I'm so amazed by Hrithik Roshan. Leave your comments below by telling me how many times have I used the word amazing. Bang Bang has too many loopholes. I wish I could say that it was high on logic as well. Many scenes end abruptly. For example, he gets shot in front of a hotel and the next moment he lands on Katrina Kaif's car's windshield, which is on the highway. I don't get the connect. Secondly, 10 people are firing at him and not a single bullet hits him. Wow, Krish is back in action. And there are too many cliffs and buildings he jumps off, but he lands safely. How? Well, there are many more scenes that will question your intelligence. Do one favor, write down those scenes with your comment below. I don't know if it's just me, but Bang Bang reminded me of Ek Tha Tiger. The film also very cunningly advertised so many products, be it cars, beverages or food, everything was there. Do me another favor, comment below with all the products you found in the film. Katrina Kaif, you were again just another eye candy, no acting at all from the leading lady. Kat, you haven't grown as an actor. Bang Bang is completely high on entertainment. I do not disagree with that fact, but the loopholes I'm talking about will disappoint you somewhere or the other. I give Bang Bang 2.5 plus extra 0.5 for Hrithik Roshan's body and moves. Take your family along because it is a family entertainer. I will not be surprised if it crosses 200 crores. Want to know how the other huge release of this week has performed? Watch the movie review of Haider by Ronnie Datta right here. This is your host Shikha Bhatnagar signing off. Before I leave, Happy Gandhi Jayanti, Happy Weekend, Jai Hind.